Ryan's just changing my life here. Great to have builder and home renovation expert Ryan Thompson back on the show because I've been talking about this. We just moved into this new house and we're just trying to figure out the things to make it more efficient. And you've have so many great ideas. I'm just like, okay, I need that, I need that, I need that. So we'll see what my lovely wife at home thinks we can get. But where do you want to start with some of these ideas,
Start with the drone.
Okay, why do we need a drone?
We need a drone. Well, they're fun.
Yeah, man.
Right? They're fun to play with. But, I always use drones, and I got this one from Best Buy. And I always use drones for checking out roofs and eaves. And stuff like that, right? So it's instead of having hiring a roofer to come out if you think something's wrong with your roof, this is an easy way to check that stuff out.
Okay, and they are affordable.
Yeah,
they're not super expensive. They're tiny.
This is a really small model, a DJI Neo. So it's really small. Really, it's like the most affordable drone.
Do you know how much it is?
It's a couple $100.
Couple $100. Okay. Christmas lights. So this weekend is the weekend I got to get things organized. I'm just trying to figure out Christmas lights. And I've always been a guy in the past that when I get up at the crack of silliness, I'm out there pulling the cord and undoing it, and I got to plug it back in. Not the way to do it.
No, not the way to do it. So what I have is I'm a TP-Link guy, all right? Smart
TP-Link?
Yeah, that's a company. They're the ones who make smart switches, smart plugs. So in an app, you can control all your various lights. You control your Christmas lights. You control your Christmas tree. I control my front porch light, my rear porch light. So you can see here in the B-roll.
Is that your tree?
That's our Christmas tree.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, real or fake?
It's fake.
Okay.
Could you tell?
It looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good, eh?
It's all. So then you organize when you want the.
Right. So right there in the app, you can turn it on and off. You can program a schedule. It's really convenient.
Yeah, because I'm always I'm not getting in trouble, but sometimes I forget to turn the lights off in the morning when I'm leaving, and then I come home and they're still on. And
exactly.
It's just a waste of power, right?
This alleviates all that. And these go on sale 3 times a year. Yeah. So I bulk, now.
And now's the time that they go on sale for Black Friday?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to this, because you got a TV in front of here, you got something here. What are we doing, Ryan?
Yeah, so this is how you create a TV wall. So you've probably seen where people have 4 different TVs.
Sure.
And you can watch one show, combine the 4 TVs and watch one show, or you could watch 4 different shows, right? So here you see.
Oh, that's 4 different TVs.
That's 4 different TVs, right?
Okay.
So people see this and they're probably how, I want that. How do you do that, right?
Yeah.
So the trick and how this all comes together is with this device right here, which is an HDMI splitter. So this is what allows you to do do you see 4 different channels?
Oh,
Got 4 different games going on.
Oh, this is bad news for my family.
But it's not, because you can get a 100-inch TV,
right,
for $1,000, right? This TV, this is mine that I just got. So I got 4 of these, $1,000, right?
Where if that TV, if you were to buy it by itself,
exactly, we're talking thousands,
and thousands of dollars. How much is this?
This is less than $100.
Ooh,
this was another. Man. You can order this from Best Buy too.
Okay.
So we're saving you money.
Yeah.
Tim.
Okay. Well, that's how we're selling it. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we're selling. What do we got here?
This is a snow shovel, and it's that time of year.
Really?
Right. So it's like a mini snow blower. Right.
Yeah.
So instead of having to break
Kyle,
your back,
I'm gonna hold this up so. Oh, okay.
And it has directional at the front, so you can turn it just like a snowblower. You can turn it left to right.
Okay. So I can put it down, guys? Okay, I'm going to put it down. You can see it down there, too. And this is all battery operated?
Battery operated. And you get 60 minutes of run time with that.
Some people might need this weekend because there's snow coming in certain areas. Can we turn this baby on?
Yeah, just lift it. Just flick it up.
Lift that like that.
There you go. Oh. If you're out there in the dark, it's got some lights for you, too.
Oh, you got lights? Oh, man. Where does the snow go? Is it just? Where does it blow?
It shoots up. It shoots up, just like a snowblower.
Wow. Okay. How much is this?
That's $300.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. And these EverWork batteries just pop out.
Yeah.
And then you can put it in other things if you have a lawnmower or something like that. Okay. We got. Man. Honey, we have a busy weekend.
It's Black Friday. We're saving money. For your home.
Always great ideas. Good stuff. The drones. They're fun. Well, coming up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Thanks, Ryan. See you next time, buddy. Happy holidays.